everyone, welcome back. It's Barb, and today I have a deep clean with me. I really hope it gets y'all motivated. As y'all know, about once a week I like to give y'all some cleaning motivation, and the house is usually messy. So anyway, I really hope y'all enjoy this, and if you do, then please subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started. I love a clean sink, and I get a lot of comments on the farmhouse sink, and I was just really blessed that that came with the house. I love it. It's like everything in this kitchen. But anyway, I'm just gonna wipe down the counters. I know a lot of times you can't tell how dirty they are on camera, but they get so filthy, and it's just it's a satisfying thing to me. This is like, okay, it's almost done, I'm wiping down the counters type of feeling. So anyway, I'm just gonna do that real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the cabinets down because they're white, and I know you can't tell on camera again, but they do get filthy, especially being white and having little ones in the house. So I just needed to clean those off really quick, and then I will do the floors and we will move on to the bedroom.
settle down. Nothing's gonna bring me down. You don't have to stick around. We're tangled as we touch the ground with no sound. Oh, nothing's gonna bring me down. You don't have to stick around. We're tangled as we touch the ground with no sound. It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
And now we're finally in my bedroom, and yeah, it's a little messy. It's not that bad. I've seen worse. I have some stuff over there in the corner that was some presents that my mom had sent the kids. And yeah, I'm just going to make my bed, straighten up a little bit, and I'm really going to clean out my desk and I'm going to clean it off also because it's just the more stuff I see, the less I can focus. So I don't know if that makes any sense, but just a clear room and not a lot of stuff helps me think about what I'm trying to concentrate on instead of having too many things distract me. So anyway, I'm just going to take some stuff out of here, off my desk and everything after I get done making my bed. So anyway, we're just going to go ahead and do that.
Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
that's going to be about it for today, guys. I thank y'all so much for watching, for being here, for subscribing, for all the support and love that y'all leave in the comments. Y'all mean the world to me, and I'm not just saying that. Like, it's so good to know that there's so many good people out there. And yeah, I didn't talk very much because I know that sometimes on my videos, a lot of people say that my music's different, and that's why they watch my videos. So I don't like to cut the songs because I know that y'all can't get them unless y'all have that subscription. So anyway, I just wanted to come on and you know, tell y'all bye, tell y'all thank you, and I will see y'all in the next one. Love y'all. Bye, guys.
She puts her